Hello and welcome to Curiosity, your go-to destination for all things interesting and thought-provoking. In this video we are going to know about buttermilk. Do you know that buttermilk is not actually made from butter? Yes, that's right. In fact, it is a fermented dairy product that is a byproduct of making butter. Today, I'm going to discuss everything you need to know about buttermilk. From its origin to how it's made, its nutritional values, its health benefits, and how you can use it in your kitchen. Buttermilk has been around for centuries and originated from Europe. It was originally made by churning fresh cream into butter. Later, it was discovered that the liquid left after making butter was highly nutritious, low in fat, and surprisingly delicious. Today, buttermilk is made by fermenting low-fat or skim milk with bacterial culture. The bacteria converts the natural lactose sugars in the milk into lactic acid, which gives it its tangy flavor and thick consistency. Did you know that a cup of buttermilk contains only about 100 calories? Yes, that's right. It's low in fat and calories but high in calcium, vitamin B12, and other essential nutrients. It's also an excellent source of probiotics, which helps improve gut health. Health benefits. Buttermilk has been proven to have several health benefits, including improving digestion, promoting bone health, and aiding in weight loss. It's also a great hangover cure and can help soothe an upset stomach. Buttermilk is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, including pancakes, waffles, biscuits, salad dressings, and marinades. It's also a great ingredient to use when baking, as it adds moisture, texture, and flavor to cakes, muffins, and bread. In conclusion, buttermilk is a delicious and nutritious dairy product that has been around for centuries. It's low in fat and calories but high in essential nutrients and probiotics, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. So try adding buttermilk to your recipes today and experience its tangy and delicious flavor for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and facts.